Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So you guys, today is laundry day, and as you can see, my bedroom is a mess. I have things all over the place, but right now you guys, let's just get started with this laundry. Okay, you guys, so before I even put clean sheets on my bed, I like to vacuum first and get up all the crumbs and lint that might be on the mattress cover. So, you guys, right now I'm just separating my light clothes from my dark clothes. Okay, you guys, so these are the clothes that needs to be washed. These are my lighter clothes, and those are my darker clothes. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So you guys, I have been using this portable washer and spinner for about 7 months now, and it's still working beautifully for me, you guys. Usually, you guys, I have my washing machine inside the bathtub, but I could not find my extension cord, so today I had to do it this way. So keep in mind, you guys, that this is just a small washing machine. You cannot overload this machine. It only takes a few items at a time. So right now, you guys, I'm about to drain the water out the machine. Usually, like I said, I have it inside the bathtub, but because I don't have my extension cord, I had to put it on top of the tub. So right now, I'm going to pour in clean water. This will be my rinse cycle, you guys, to get out all the suds off the clothes. So it may seem like this is a whole lot, you guys, but it's really not. Plus, I'm doing a whole day of laundry, so I don't have anywhere to go anyway. Hey you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video.